This month, the Virtual Productions team has released several new training videos to continue building our learning library. First is Season 2, Episode 2 of the Technical Institute show. In this episode, you will see some of the basics of RV plumbing, including PEX cutting, crimping, and installation, along with an overview of PVC and ABS systems. We also walk through what to do if a leak develops in your unit, giving viewers practical, real-world guidance. Next, Mark walks you through motor and solenoid troubleshooting on motorized hydraulic leveling systems. In this video, he breaks down the fundamentals of diagnosis with a strong focus on battery health and how it impacts system performance. Finally, the Everchill video library continues to grow, with the addition of multiple component replacement videos for the BCD455 WTE refrigerator, giving users step-by-step support for common service tasks. You can find all of these videos and many more on the Lippert main YouTube channel and the Lippert Technical Institute channel. Let's see what the Tech Pubs team has released this month.
Thanks, Jason. This month, the Technical Publications team has released several new documents to support technicians and installers in the field. First, the TI-580 Touring Coil Suspension Tri-Lobe Shock Bolt Extraction Procedure. This document walks you through step-by-step of the bolt extraction process, helping ensure the job is completed safely and efficiently. Next, we've added the Gate Defender Troubleshooting and Service Manual. This manual guides users through the system operation, component replacement, and the manual override procedure, providing a complete resource for servicing the Gate Defender system. Finally, we've released TI-575, the Happy Jack Sofa Backrest Lock Installation Instructions. This document outlines the proper steps for installing the Happy Jack Sofa backrest locks, helping ensure a secure and reliable setup. You can find all of these documents and many more on the Lippert support site. Now let's check in with Lauren and see what's new in the classroom.
Thanks, Mark. We are back at it again with exciting in-person training opportunities for both RV technicians and owners. RV Owner School season is in full swing and we would love for you to join us. We've got several 3-day hands-on training sessions at our facility coming up, along with seminars in Hershey, Pennsylvania and Billings, Montana. If you've been looking for an opportunity to build confidence on the road, this is the perfect time. Each event is designed to help RV owners of all skill levels gain practical, in-depth knowledge of Lippert products straight from the source. Seats are filling up quickly, so be sure to reserve your spot soon. We are also hosting a hands-on technician service school at our facility next month. This immersive training is built specifically for RV technicians, giving you the opportunity to work through real-world scenarios using our interactive mock-ups. You will gain valuable, applicable experience and earn credit for your time spent training with us. If traveling to our facility here in Indiana is not an option for you, we encourage you to explore our seminar offerings. These lecture-based events are hosted in locations around the country. We currently have a few seminars open in Florida, with additional events in Pennsylvania and Montana opening up soon. Be sure to check back for registration updates. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.